Every engineering team has the same hidden tags: bug triage. A messy report comes in, and someone has to decide how bad it is, who owns it, and what might fix it, and whether it's even worth doing right now. The bug that paid someone at 2 a.m. always get handled. They have to. But what doesn't get handled is everything underneath: dependency alerts, flaky tests, issues nobody's urgent enough to interrupt anyone over. The cost isn't the fix, it's the 20 or 30 minutes of investigation before anyone can even decide what to do. The investigation tax is what piles up. I built Cortex Triage, an AI triage operator for engineering teams. And this is built on Lemma. It connects to a real GitHub repo, watches for new issues, and for each one classifies the bug, scores the severity, suggests a fix, and figures out who actually has the context and on the code, and opens a Jira ticket, posts to Slack, opens an incident if it's serious enough, and automatically the moment that issue lands. And now we'll move to the demo, which is a demo against the LangChain's GitHub repo. So I have forked it, and because I could only show that on my own account, so I have forked this repo, LangChain repo, and it has the 5 open real issues. These are 5 to 7 real issues which were there on the LangChain's repo. So this is the repo which we are connected to, a fork of LangChain, one of the largest AI code bases out there, where issues are technical, noisy, and genuinely hard to route. So this is Cortex Triage, our Lemma-powered operator board, live connected to that repo. Every card here is a LangChain issue, triaged automatically the moment it showed up. The bug crashes generate function whenever a cache implements length and reports 0 entries. Cortex classifies it as crash P2 with a confidence score, and it suggests this user as the owner, not because of the static code owner's rule, but because Cortex traced commit history on caches.py and found the person who actually wrote the code. This is the part that actually saves time. Most bugs aren't urgent enough to page anyone, but somebody still have to read them eventually and decide what to do. Cortex answers the 3 questions that takes the longest. Is this in production? How many services does it touch? And how complex is the fix? And puts them right next to the assign, defer, backlog, or close button. The model never makes that call. A human will have to click it and decide, take the decision, what, why, when, and all of that will be recorded. New issues don't need anyone to submit a form. A schedule checks the connected repo every couple of minutes, and the moment any new bug or any new issue shows up, the same pipeline runs automatically, and we will get a new card for that particular bug or issue. So the product isn't another GitHub issue viewer. It's an AI triage operator built on Lemma, connected to a real repo that turns a flood of raw issues into a prioritized, explainable, auditable engineering queue automatically. 3 agents that only reason, 17 functions that own every side effect, 4 workflows that chain them together, 1 for manual intake, 1 that polls GitHub automatically, 1 for release notes, and 1 that sweeps for unacknowledged incidents on a schedule, and 8 tables that hold the whole system's memory. Okay, so this is our Slack agent. The Slack agent is a Bolt app running over socket mode. It doesn't talk to Lemma directly. It is an MCP client that calls a small MCP server I wrote, which wraps this pods the entire Lemma's workflows tables as callable tools, and triage, a bug list, backlog, all of these. And this can be directly used by the Slack agents, which I have built here. I have built a Slack agent as well, which is using the Lemma infra as an MCP server. So this is it. Thank you.